We have just renovated this 400-year-old cottage to turn it into a luxury Airbnb. Let's take a tour and have a look at what it looks like now. So, walking in from the car parking area, nice little gate up to the road, and you've got the garden and the cottage here. If we walk down, you can see the garden is all looking really nice. We're now in the middle of summer, which is kind of what I've been waiting for to film this video. So the garden's looking all nice and green. New outdoor furniture there, painted pink to the boss's design. Past the front door is there. Into the other terrace, new hot tub, new seating painted to match the other furniture in the garden, new lighting, nice lighting around here as well. Gone for a master hot tub, which is a really good American brand, and also an air source heat pump which can reduce the bills by up to 80%. Back down into the house, nice Jack's Cottage sign. Okay, so into the kitchen. In here we've pretty much had a full refurb. We've got lovely new white quartz worktops, as well as painted all the hardwood units a bright pink. We've also replaced the Stanley Argo with an electric range cooker. Beautiful rectangular mosaic tiles that follow the profile of the curved walls. We've also plastered out the Artex pattern above. Nice artwork on the wall. We love this neon sign. It's just something a little bit different. We tried to mix a little bit of traditional and modern. All this furniture was made by myself. Floors have all been treated, cleaned and sealed. New radiator down here. This is our little welcome pack. Into the sitting room then. In here it's just been painted throughout, new decor, all new furniture. We've had the fireplace refurbished. Two lovely pictures of some stags, because just above us on Curbar Edge you can often see stags roaming around. Nice 55-inch smart TV. Through to the corridor and the bathroom. Tub towels are kept here. In the bathroom we didn't need to retile because we did this when we lived here, but what we did do is a full refresh. Through the kitchen and then into the hallway that will take us upstairs. I love this hallway, it's just so interesting. There's so many period features in here. Wonky walls, stonework. It's just beautiful. Upstairs you walk straight into the twin room. We've got two brass single beds set up in here and a lovely makeup table. Again, all of the furniture up here, that is wooden. I've made myself out of solid oak. Little chocolates by the beds for that extra little touch. So into the master bedroom. In here again, full redecoration. We've had a new radiator, all new furniture, nice big cozy double bed with a super comfy mattress, sweetie cushion, little makeup station in the master bedroom as well, so if you come as a group and you want to get ready, you've got space to do that. Nice little chocolate and a cute picture of a stag, which you see lots of those around here. Let me know in the comments if you think we've done a good job renovating this 400-year-old cottage, and if you want to come and stay, there's a link in the description. It's on Airbnb. We've also got our own website. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like the tour of this cottage. If you can subscribe, that would be great. My target is to get to 500 subscribers by the end of this year.